Come here to move everything, shake down everything, move everything, shake down everything. I tell you move.
Hi guys, it's Maya. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome cousin. How are you? Here on my channel, I give you guys YouTube tips and tricks. I do my hair when I feel cute, and I do a bunch of other stuff that you guys probably do not care about, but I'm still going to show you guys. Welcome to a hair video. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys how I did these curls and how I installed this hair from WorldNewHair. But of course, before we get into it, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the hair. So I did have to do some plucking. I did pluck the hair. I believe I will show you guys the before and after. But there's just one thing. The hair is soft and everything, you know. It's holding a curl, and I love that about it. It handled heat very, very, very well. But the only thing that I did not like about this hair is I ordered the 26-inch. I'm 5'3", so 26 inches on me would be like right here. Like right here. And you see, this is it barely. It's with the longer the hair is, the thinner that it is. It's like that with bundles as well. But besides that, I love the fact that this hair can hold a curl. I love that it handles heat very well. The hair actually feels better curled than when I had first opened the box, and that's crazy. So if you guys are interested in how I installed this hair and how I did the curls and everything, then just go ahead and keep on watching. about this hair in the comment section down below. Do you like it better when I first took it out of the box, out of the bag, or do you like it better now that it's curled and styled and everything? So let me know, which do you prefer? Do you prefer a hair that you could just, that's ready to wear, or that you have to do some styling to? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. My Instagram is down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Move everything.